In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Easy Apply on LinkedIn. If you're looking to streamline your job application process and target positions that interest you, you've come to the right place. LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature is designed to make your job search more efficient by allowing you to submit applications with just a few clicks. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can put your best foot forward in the job market. First, let's start by heading over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already signed into your LinkedIn account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your newsfeed. Now, focus your attention on the top of the page where you'll find various options like Home, My Network and Jobs. Click on the Jobs tab as this is where the magic happens. With the job search page open, it's time to find positions that align with your career goals. In the search bar that appears at the top, type in the role you're interested in. For instance, if you're a budding or seasoned video editor, type video editor and press enter. LinkedIn will populate a list of job openings relevant to your search query. At this point, you should see a variety of options before you. Look through the list of job titles and click on a position that piques your interest. Doing so will give you a closer look at the job description, requirements and company details. This is a crucial step to ensure the role aligns with your skills and career aspirations. Once you've reviewed the job details and you're sure you'd like to throw your hat in the ring, it's time to utilize LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. Simply click on the Easy Apply button that appears on the job listing. This feature is a real time saver as it allows you to apply using the information stored in your LinkedIn profile rather than uploading multiple documents and filling out lengthy forms. When you click Easy Apply, you may be asked to provide a few additional details or attach any documents that the application requires, like a resume or cover letter. Make sure everything looks good and then go ahead and click Submit. This process is designed to reduce friction and speed up your job application process. Once you've submitted your application, you will see a confirmation indicating that your resume has been sent to the employer. Remember, the Easy Apply feature is available only for select job postings where employers opt to use it, so you might not see it for every job. Now that you know the steps, you can continuously browse through the listings and take advantage of this convenient option whenever it's available. With these insights, you're all set to utilize LinkedIn's Easy Apply and enhance your job hunting efficiency. Happy job searching and good luck landing that dream job.